Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up MUBR. First, you'll want to download the MUBR app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and create your new account. You can typically sign up using your email address or a social media account. The next crucial step is to connect your preferred music streaming service, either Spotify or Apple Music, to allow MUBR to access your listening data. This integration is essential for the app to function correctly. Now that your account is ready, let's connect with your friends. Head over to the Friends tab located at the bottom of the app screen. From there, you can easily send invite links to your friends through various messaging platforms, or you can search for them directly using their MUBR usernames. Remember to accept any incoming friend requests to ensure you can see their listening activity and share your own. A key feature of MUBR is its widget. To add it, long press anywhere on your home screen until your apps start to jiggle. Then, tap the plus icon, usually found in the top left or right corner, to open the widget gallery. Search for MUBR and select it. There is typically one size available for the widget. Place it on your home screen or lock screen, then tap Done to save your layout. With MUBR set up, you can now enjoy its unique features. Your widget will display what your friends are listening to in real time, right on your home screen. This is a fantastic way to discover new music and artists based on the tastes of your closest connections. You can also customize your lock screen to include the MUBR widget, providing even quicker access to your friends' musical journeys throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.